Boom, billion-dollar animation industry, you in forget years of software struggles. Today, we're cracking the AI code for stunning animation, even if you're a total newbie. Buckle up, animators, cause it's about to get epic. Segment 1. Exploring the animation industry. In recent years, the animation industry has experienced an unprecedented surge, fueled largely by the success of creators on platforms like YouTube who have mastered the art of producing engaging 2D animation videos. This surge has not only brought animation to the forefront of online content, but has also transformed it into a lucrative business, with many creators amassing millions of views and subscribers. The success stories of these animators serve as an inspiration, inviting a diverse range of individuals to join the billion-dollar animation world and carve their own niche within it. The appeal of 2D animation stems from its ease of use and flexibility. In contrast to 3D animation, which frequently requires complex software and technical expertise, 2D animation can be created with simpler tools, making it accessible to aspiring animators. This inclusivity has fueled the creativity of a new generation of thinkers, allowing them to materialize their ideas and present them to a global audience. Furthermore, the appeal of 2D animation stems from its nostalgic and timeless visual style, which resonates with viewers of all ages. As we start on this journey into the animation industry, it is critical that we recognize the diverse opportunities available. Animation is a multifaceted field that allows people to learn and practice a wide range of skills, including storytelling, character design, sound engineering, and script writing. Furthermore, the digital landscape offers creators unprecedented opportunities to showcase their work, connect with a global audience, and potentially monetize their content. So, rather than falling behind in this dynamic and rapidly expanding world, let us embrace animation, unleashing our creativity and contributing to the ever-changing narrative of this billion-dollar industry. Segment 2. Story creation with ChatGPT. When starting on the journey of creating a remarkable animation, it is critical to recognize the importance of a captivating story and its success. A compelling narrative is at the heart of any great animation, acting as the driving force that engages and captivates the audience. Fortunately, for those who aren't seasoned storytelling experts, the process is about to be simplified thanks to ChatGPT. This sophisticated language model will walk you through the process of creating a short adventure story, ensuring that you lay the groundwork for your next animated masterpiece. The beauty of leveraging ChatGPT lies in its ability to streamline and simplify the storytelling process. By tapping into its vast repository of language patterns and creative capabilities, you can effortlessly craft a narrative that resonates with your audience. The interactive nature of this tool allows you to collaborate with a virtual partner that understands the intricacies of language, helping you shape characters, conflicts, and resolutions seamlessly. As we delve into the intricacies of story creation, you'll witness how ChatGPT transforms your ideas into a cohesive and engaging adventure that will serve as the heartbeat of your animation. In the upcoming sections, we'll explore the step-by-step process of harnessing ChatGPT's prowess to breathe life into your animation storyline. From setting a stage with vivid descriptions to developing characters with depth and purpose, you'll discover the art of storytelling in a dynamic and user-friendly manner. So buckle up for a creative journey where technology and imagination converge to pave the way for an animation that not only visually captivates, but also emotionally resonates with its audience. Segment 3. Animating with Steve AI. We set out on a journey to transform our narrative into a visually captivating experience, using Steve AI to help us navigate the world of animation. This innovative tool works as a creative companion, seamlessly translating text into captivating videos that bring our story to life. As we navigate Steve AI's user-friendly interface, a plethora of possibilities emerge before us, making the animation process an exciting journey. The first step involves selecting the perfect template that sets the tone for our story. Steve AI offers a diverse range of templates, each crafted to evoke specific emotions and atmospheres. Whether we seek a whimsical and lighthearted vibe or a more serious and dramatic ambience, the template selection process becomes a crucial decision in shaping the overall visual narrative. Once our foundation is set, we move onto the canvas, where backgrounds act as the backdrop to our unfolding tale. Steve AI provides an extensive library of backgrounds, allowing us to seamlessly integrate our story into a variety of settings, from enchanting landscapes to bustling urban scenes. Characters, the heart of any animation, take center stage in the next phase of our creative endeavor. Steve AI offers a rich assortment of animated characters, each with its own unique traits and expressions. With a few clicks, we can populate our scenes with characters that perfectly complement the essence of our story, adding depth and personality to the unfolding animation. The ability to customize these characters further enhances our creative control, ensuring that every nuance aligns seamlessly with the narrative we've crafted. In the final stretch of our animation journey, Steve AI grants us the power to fine-tune and perfect our creation. From adjusting the pacing to adding dynamic transitions, the tool empowers us to refine the visual experience, creating a video that not only narrates our story but also captivates the audience. With Steve AI, the process of animating our story becomes an immersive and enjoyable endeavor, resulting in a visually stunning masterpiece that transcends the boundaries of traditional storytelling. Segment 4. Visual editing and fine-tuning. In the world of content creation, whether for film, animation, or any other visual medium, quality editing is the key to transforming raw footage into a captivating masterpiece. It provides the finishing touch that can take a project from good to exceptional. Visual editing in particular is essential for fine-tuning the aesthetics of your work. It entails paying close attention to details like color grading, ensuring consistency in visual elements, and improving overall coherence. Focusing on visual continuity not only creates a seamless viewing experience, but it also conveys a level of professionalism that your audience will appreciate. Tweaking scenes is an art form in and of itself. It entails not only cutting and splicing footage, but also understanding the narrative flow and emotional beats of a story. A well-crafted edit can elicit the desired emotions, guiding the audience on a roller coaster of emotions. This subtle approach to scene editing necessitates an understanding of pacing, rhythm, and the psychological impact of visual sequences. It's about striking the delicate balance between keeping the story moving and allowing moments to breathe. A skilled editor can turn a collection of scenes into a cohesive, engaging narrative that captivates the audience's attention. Furthermore, the importance of ensuring your animation looks polished and professional cannot be overstated. A polished animation reflects the dedication and expertise poured into the project. It involves refining character movements, ensuring smooth transitions between frames, and paying meticulous attention to every frame's detail. Whether it's a 3D masterpiece or a 2D animation, the visual finesse of the final product is a testament to the commitment to excellence. Professionalism in animation editing not only enhances the viewer's experience, but also establishes a sense of credibility and trust in your creative capabilities. In essence, quality editing is a multifaceted process that necessitates a keen attention to detail, a thorough understanding of narrative structure, and a dedication to visual excellence. It serves as a bridge between the creator's vision and the emotions of the audience. So as you begin your editing journey, remember that the devil is in the details, and paying attention to those details makes all the difference in leaving a lasting impression. Segment 5. Voiceover magic with Steve AI. The value of a strong voiceover in animation cannot be overstated. It adds depth, emotion, and a human touch to the visuals, transforming them from a simple sequence of images into a captivating storytelling experience. Enter Steve AI, a versatile tool that transforms how voiceovers are incorporated into animations. This innovative platform allows creators to either record their own voices or use Steve AI's advanced voice generation feature, resulting in a seamless and natural-sounding audio accompaniment to their visual stories. For those who prefer the personal touch of their own voice, Steve AI offers a simple recording interface. This feature enables animators to give their characters distinct expressions, tone, and style, resulting in a more authentic connection between the audience and the animated world. On the other hand, for those looking for efficiency or a specific vocal style outside of their natural range, Steve AI's voice generation feature comes in handy. Powered by cutting-edge technology, it allows users to choose from a variety of voices and customize parameters such as pitch, speed, and accent to perfectly match the tone of the animation. With Steve AI, adding voiceovers becomes an integral part of the creative process, allowing animators to experiment with different voices until they find the perfect match for their characters. Whether it's the warmth of a narrator guiding the audience through a story or the distinct personalities of animated characters coming to life, Steve AI makes sure that the audio element adds to rather than detracts from the overall animation experience. In essence, it's about creating a video that speaks volumes, and Steve AI is the tool that allows animators to do just that. Segment 6. Publishing your masterpiece. Publishing your animation is the thrilling culmination of your creative journey. As you stand at the precipice of unveiling your creation to the world, a sense of accomplishment and anticipation fills the air. The meticulous process of crafting each frame, refining every detail, and infusing your unique vision into the animation is now ready to be shared with the masses. It's a moment of pride and excitement, akin to launching a vessel into uncharted waters. The first step in this final phase is to ensure that all elements are in place. Double-check that your animation is polished and refined, meeting the standards you set for yourself. Confirm that the timing is impeccable, the visuals are captivating, and the narrative unfolds seamlessly. Once satisfied with the final product, navigate to the Publish button, a gateway to the vast online canvas where your creation will soon find its place. As you hover over the Publish button, consider the impact your animation may have on its audience. Will it entertain, inspire, or provoke thought? The act of publishing transcends the digital realm. It is an invitation for others to join in the experience you've crafted. Embrace the power that comes with sharing your artistry. With a simple click, your animation is launched into the digital cosmos, ready to captivate, resonate, and leave an imprint on the minds of those who encounter it. Now, as your animation is set free into the digital expanse, it's time to celebrate your achievement. Whether it's a personal project or a professional endeavor, the act of publishing represents a significant milestone. Share the news with friends, peers, and collaborators, and bask in the well-deserved sense of accomplishment. Your creation is no longer confined to the realm of your imagination. It's out there, ready to be embraced by the world. So click that publish button with confidence and watch as your animation takes flight, leaving a lasting impression on the canvas of creativity. And there you have it, folks. We've successfully created an impressive animation video with minimal effort. Remember, with dedication and time, you can take it to the next level. Upload your creation to your YouTube channel, start earning real money, and keep the creativity flowing. If you enjoyed this tutorial or have any questions, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep animating and stay creative.